feeling?
It's my normal neck tension, I think, Doc.
Tension to the neck.
I think lower T's, and it's even tender to the touch. I've been feeling some pain. I asked Laura, I was like, which one is this one?
Yeah, there's a notable amount of redness there. Is that what you're feeling, like lower thoracic?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Big break there with the instrument, right at T10. Right for sure. 5.
I can almost feel that through here.
Pressure.
Yeah, is that weird?
Not too weird. A little different for you, that's not too weird. Okay, bring your shoulders back into the chair.
We'll call that my brother.
Your brother's getting you?
That's my brother.
Yeah, Marna's up on the other side.
Yeah. Everyone's got their plates.
And then for your L5, let's come over here to this table.
That was a kind of deep one, huh?
Yeah, different spot from usual.
No, we'll call that my brother. Facing wall?
And towards the chair, middle of the room.
I'm so terrible at this one. Is that wrong? Okay, getting better.
Bring that your head. And bring out your shoulder stable. And your upper right hand and lower back. You don't turn your head upward, but ceiling.
Okay, here.
Okay, now we'll come over to the knee chest table. Bring it forward a little bit more.
Do not get my hanging belly.
Ah, back to me. Yeah, right there one more time. And relax it out.
Oh, that just wanted to go in.
Come on up. And then we'll reach out here in the chair. Yeah, everything's up really smooth. It really beats it up in the neck.
Yeah, that was a different.
Alright, Nelly, you're all set.
Yay! Thank you so much. Alright.
Thanks, Nelly.
No
Thanks,
problem.
Audrey.
Awesome.